Exercise 6.1 12th question. Forces of magnitudes 5 root 2 and 10 root 2 is acting in the directions 3i plus 4j plus 5k and 10i plus 6j minus 8k respectively on a particle which is displaced from the point 4i minus 3j minus 2k to the point 6i plus j minus 3k. Find the work done. ஸோ இங்கே வந்து ஃபோர்ஸஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. டூ ஃபோர்ஸஸ் ஆர் ஆக்டிங். அதுவும் அந்த ஃபோர்ஸஸோட மேக்னிடியூட் வந்து 5 root 2 10 root 2. ஸோ நம்ம F1 வெக்டார் கண்டுபிடிக்கணுன்னாலே இந்த ஃபஸ்ட்டு மேக்னிடியூட் இருக்குல்ல, இந்த 5 root 2, இது கூட நம்ம இந்த F1 யூனிட் வெக்டார் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். ஸோ F1 வெக்டார் கண்டுபிடிக்கணுன்னா இந்த மாதிரி மேக்னிடியூட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா அதை நம்ம இதை யூனிட் வெக்டார் கூட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். ஸோ இந்த 5 root 2 அப்படியே எழுதுவோம். இதை எப்படி யூனிட் வெக்டராக மாற்றணும்? 3i ப்ளஸ் 4j ப்ளஸ் 5k. இதை யூனிட் வெக்டராக மாற்றணுன்னா டினாமினேட்டரில் ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் ஆஃப் i நம்பர் ஸ்கொயர் 3 ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணால் 9, j நம்பர் ஸ்கொயர் 4 ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணால் 16, k நம்பர் ஸ்கொயர் 5. when I square I will have 25. So like this only we have to convert into unit vector. So question when they have given magnitude, this is the way how you have to calculate F1 vector. Magnitude into unit vector. So next step what we will have is F1 vector is equal to 5 root 2. You will have 3i plus 4j plus 5k divided by 9 plus 16, 25, 25 plus 25, I will have root 50. So இந்த root 50 நம்ம கொஞ்சம் யோசிச்சு பாருங்கள். 25 2s are 25 2s are root 50. So 25 into 2 na I can write it as 5 root 2. So in the next step let me write F1 vector is equal to 5 root 2. As I said, this 50 can be written as, let me do the rough work for you. 50 root 50 can be written as 25 into 2. So that is 5 root 2. So in the next step I am going to write here 3i plus 4j plus 5k whole thing divided by 5 root 2. So this both will be getting cancelled. So only this is our F1 vector. Now I have to find out F2 vector. Same manner. F2 vector is equal to magnitude. For the second one, what is the magnitude given in the question? 10 root 2. So I am writing 10 root 2. And the second force, I have to make it as unit vector. Actually, let me write the formula. 10 root 2 F2 cap. So I have to make this as a unit vector. That means 10 root 2 into, what are the numbers we are having? 10i vector plus 6j vector minus 8k vector. I have to divide by square root of 10 square 100, 6 square 36, 8 square 64. So when I simplify, I will have F2 vector is equal to 10 root 2 into this. I will have 10i vector plus 6j vector minus 8k vector whole thing divided by 64 plus 36 100. 100 plus 100 I will have 200. Now let me see how to simplify 200. இந்த 200 நம்ம 100 into 2 அப்படின்னு கூட எழுதலாம். 100க்கு என்ன ஸ்கொயர் ரூட்? 10. So this is nothing but 10 root 2. So 200 means 10 root 2. Here also I have 10 root 2. So actually I can cancel this both. I have explained you here. 200 nale, what is the meaning? Root 100 into 2. So when I simplify I will get 10 root 2. So this both I can cancel. Now I have to find out F vector. So actually F vector is what? F1 vector plus F2 vector. இந்த two forces add பண்ணாதான் நமக்கு F vector கிடைக்கும். So let me add F1 and F2. You know how we should add. we should add I components. So 3 plus 10, I will have 13I vector. Similarly, j numbers, 6j plus 4j. If I add, I will have 10j vector. Now 5k minus 8k plus 5 minus 8, I will have minus 3k vector. So we have found out F vector. Work done means I should know the displacement also. To calculate displacement, let me find out what is displacement. How to find out displacement? Initial position minus final position. Read the question. From the point, that means this is initial position, to the point, so this is final position. So displacement means final position minus initial position. So I have to subtract the two vectors, final position vector and initial position vector. Now let us see what is final position they have told. 6i plus j minus 3k. So let me write that. 6i vector plus j vector minus 3k vector. Let me put it in a bracket. Now minus sign. Initial position. Initial position is 4i minus 3j minus 2k. So 4i minus 3j minus 2k. This is the initial position. Now let me do the subtraction. So d vector is equal to 6 minus 4. You will have 2i vector, j minus of minus. So minus into minus plus. So 1 plus 3 I will have it as 4j vector. Next minus 3k, minus into minus plus. So minus 3 plus 2 I will have minus k vector. Minus 3 plus 2 means minus k vector. So I have found out d vector. Now let me write the formula for work done. Work done is equal to F vector dot d vector. What is F vector? What we have found out F vector as 13i plus 10j minus 3k. So let me write it here. 13i plus 10j minus 3k. This is F vector dot d vector. What is d vector? 2i plus 4j minus k. Now let me do the dot product. 13 2s are 26. 10 4s are 40. Minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. So when I add this, I will have 26 plus 40, 66 plus 3, 69. So work done is equal to 69 units.